Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn WH sound words. So let's start. Sound words. WHO who? Who means corn. WHEAT wheat. Wheat means गेहूँ. WHY means क्यों. WHAT what means क्या. WHERE where means कहाँ. WHICH which means कौन सी. WHOSE whose means किसका. WHALE whale means एक मछली का नाम, एक फिश का नेम. WHEEL wheel means पहिया. WHEN van means कब. WHISTLE whistle means city. WHISKERS whisker means मूछे. WHISPER whisper means फुसफुसाना, कान में धीरे से बोलना. WHITE white means next page number 49. It is fun to read the sentences sentences. Read the sentences. So let's start. Read the sentences. WHERE where is. PHILIP Philip. Where is Philip. Philip कहाँ है. WHEN when. IS is. HIS his. BIRTHDAY birthday. When is his birthday. उसका जन्मदिन कब है. WHERE where. IS is. THE the. WHITE white. PHONE phone. Where is the white phone. सफ़ेद फ़ोन कहाँ है. THE the. WHITE white. PHONE phone. IS is. NEAR near. MY my. PHOTO photo. The white phone is near my photo. सफ़ेद फ़ोन मेरे फ़ोटो के पास है. नेक्स्ट लाइन. WHAT what. WILL will. PHIL fill. SEECIN in. THE the. ZOO zoo. What will Phil see in the zoo. Phil तुम चिड़ियाघर में क्या देखोगे. ELEPHANTS elephants. Dolphins. DOLPHINS dolphins. And WHALES whales. True. Elephants, dolphins और whale भी. WHEEL wheel पहिया. WHEAT wheat गेहूँ. WHISPER whisper कान में धीरे से बोलना या फुसफुसाना. WHALE whale एक मछली का नाम. WHISTLE whistle city. WHISKERS whiskers मूछें.